What's up, everybody? Today is Sunday, and you know what that means. We are doing another Sunday at home project where we take fashion that we no longer need and turn it into something fabulous. Today, we are actually making thongs. So, all you need is a marker, scissors, thong, and panty. You could actually freestyle it, but for the sake of this video, since I have visual learners, I decided to actually show you guys how I do them with the thong on top of my panty. And of course, I'm using a permanent marker because, again, I have visual learners. So you want to use that thong as a guideline to get the shape that you desire, and you want to trace beneath the thong line onto your panty. Keep in mind that the back side will be a lot smaller than the front because the back side goes inside of our butt cheeks. Just a FYI. Now, I know some people may say, well, why won't you just buy thongs? It's a lot easier. You can buy thongs, but I'm not going to buy thongs if I could turn my panties into thongs. I'm not telling you guys to copy this project, but this is a fun hack and a fun way to save money. I like the project, and I'm pretty sure someone else that's watching would thank me for this. And if you don't want the black line showing from the permanent marker, all you need to do is just wash them or cut the fabric. So this is the front, the side, and the back. And yes, I'm wearing a dress to show you guys how it looks because I do not want to get flagged because I don't want to let you guys see my nudity. But this project is very simple. This is something that I've been doing for years. Instead of buying more thongs, I just recreate my own. And I hope that you all enjoyed it. I see you next week. Bye.